In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Confluence page, whether you need a polished PDF to share outside your team or an editable Word document for further revisions. Exporting is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to start.atlassian.com. This is the central hub for Atlassian Cloud, and it's a handy place to access Confluence. Log into your account as you normally would. If you use multiple Atlassian sites, make sure you're in the right one for the space you want to export from. Once you're in Confluence, look to the left panel. This sidebar shows your spaces, which are like folders or categories for related pages. Select the space that contains the page you want to export. If you have a lot of spaces, you can use the search at the top to quickly narrow it down. Next, click on your page to open it. Before exporting, make sure the page is published and not still a draft. If you see editing controls or a prompt to publish, finish any pending edits and publish first. Exporting only reflects the published version, so this ensures your download matches what everyone sees. With the page open, go to the top right corner and click the three dots, often called the More Actions menu. From there, choose Export. You'll be prompted to pick a format. If you need a share-ready fixed layout that preserves the look and feel, choose PDF. If you want a file you can edit or rework outside Confluence, choose Word. Keep in mind that some complex macros or embedded content may render differently depending on the format. After you select your format, wait for the export to process. You may see a progress indicator. Larger pages, lots of images, or many nested sections can take a bit longer, so keep the tab open while it generates. If your network is slow, give it an extra moment to finish. When the export completes, click the download button. Your browser will save the file to your default download location. It's a good idea to open the file right away to verify everything looks correct. If the layout isn't what you expected, try the other format or simplify the page content before exporting again. Also, if you don't see the export option, your permissions in that space may be limited, so check with your admin or space manager. That's it, your Confluence page is now exported and ready to share or edit. Thanks for watching.